Welcome back to channel. Today we explore the world of investment. We share strategies, insights and knowledge to help you grow your financial future. This space is dedicated to guiding you with clarity and confidence. Knowledge is the most powerful investment you can make. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, but it requires discipline, patience, and a clear strategy. Too often people think investing is about chasing the hottest stock or timing the market perfectly. In reality, successful investors focus on consistency, risk management, and long-term growth. The first principle is diversification. Imagine putting all your money into one company or one sector. If that area struggles, your entire portfolio suffers. By spreading investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and even international markets, you reduce risk while opening yourself to more opportunities. Diversification does not guarantee profits, but it cushions against volatility. Next, understand the importance of compounding. When your investments earn returns and those returns are reinvested, your money begins to grow exponentially. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small regular contributions can grow into significant wealth over decades. This is why starting now rather than waiting for the perfect moment is crucial. Another key tip is to focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs. These track broad markets like the S&P 500 and often outperform actively managed funds over time because they minimize fees. High fees eat into your returns, so keeping costs low is one of the simplest ways to maximize growth. Risk tolerance is also essential. Every investor has a different comfort level with risk. Younger investors may afford to take on more risk since they have time to recover from downturns, while older investors may prefer safer income-producing assets. Aligning your portfolio with your personal risk tolerance ensures you can stay invested even when markets fluctuate. Avoid emotional investing. Markets rise and fall, and headlines can trigger fear or greed. Selling in panic or buying in euphoria often leads to poor decisions. Instead, stick to a plan, set clear goals, whether saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding education, and let those goals guide your strategy rather than short-term noise. Do not overlook the role of emergency savings before diving deep into investments. Ensure you have a safety net, typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses in cash. This prevents you from liquidating investments at the wrong time if unexpected expenses arise. Tax efficiency is another overlooked area. Using tax-advantaged accounts like retirement plans can help you keep more of your returns. Even small differences in tax treatment compound significantly over time. Finally, remember that investing is not about getting rich overnight. It is about building wealth steadily. The most successful investors are those who stay disciplined, keep learning, and adapt to changing conditions without abandoning their core principles. Building on the foundation of smart investing, there are deeper strategies that can help you refine your approach and strengthen your financial future. One powerful concept is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. By doing so, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, this smooths out the impact of volatility and helps you avoid the trap of trying to time the market. Another important practice is rebalancing your portfolio. As markets move, some assets will grow faster than others and your portfolio may drift away from your intended allocation. Rebalancing brings it back in line with your goals. For example, if stocks have surged and now make up too large a portion of your holdings, you might sell some and reinvest in bonds or other assets. This keeps your risk level consistent with your plan. Do not underestimate the value of continuous learning. Financial markets evolve, new products emerge, and global events can shift the landscape. Staying informed through books, podcasts, and reputable financial news sources helps you adapt and make better decisions. Knowledge is a compounding asset just like money. It is also wise to think about liquidity. While long-term investments are essential, you should balance them with assets that can be accessed quickly if needed. Real estate or retirement accounts may be valuable, but they are not easily liquidated. Having a mix of liquid investments ensures flexibility. Consider the role of dividends and interest. Income generating assets can provide cash flow that can be reinvested or used to cover expenses. This is especially useful for those seeking financial independence or retirement security. Another layer is understanding behavioral finance. Recognizing biases like overconfidence, herd mentality, or loss aversion can protect you from costly mistakes. Self-awareness is as important as market knowledge because emotions often drive poor investment choices. Global diversification is worth mentioning too. Investing beyond your home country exposes you to growth in other economies and reduces dependence on a single market. Currency fluctuations and international policies add complexity, but they also broaden opportunity. Finally, set milestones and review progress regularly. Investing is not a set and forget activity. Checking in on your portfolio ensures you remain aligned with your goals and allows you to adjust when life circumstances change. Whether it is a career shift, family needs, or approaching retirement, your strategy should evolve with you. To sum up, add dollar cost averaging to your toolkit. Rebalance consistently. Keep learning. Maintain liquidity. Embrace income generating assets. Understand your own biases. Diversify globally and review your progress. These practices, combined with the fundamentals already discussed, create a resilient approach to investing that can carry you confidently into the future. In summary, diversify your portfolio. Start early to harness compounding. Minimize fees. Align with your risk tolerance. Avoid emotional decisions. Maintain an emergency fund and invest tax efficiently. These timeless strategies can help anyone.